Hello guys, so today, ayan, we have a new vlog, and today's vlog we're gonna use the Canon R50 for live stream. So for those live streamer out there, if you want to use your Canon R50, we have a good news for you. We will show you how to use the Canon R50 on your live stream. So on today's demonstration, we have Palaboy OFW. Please subscribe to his channel and he will help us regarding the live streaming. So what is the first step? First, we have already the camera. Okay.
Camera, and there is a Type-C
Type C.
input or output, and you need to have the
Type C. Type C.
Type-C or Type-C if you have Mac computer. If you're using Windows, like what we are using today,
Okay.
this one. So you need to have Type-C and USB. So plug the Type-C here and then connect to
Connect.
USB.
Okay.
So just on the camera, first thing you need to go in the option
Menu. Okay.
then see,
Okay.
then choose
Menu
USB
with the range.
range. Yes.
Number 4.
Okay.
Choose the USB connection.
Okay.
Then
Video
video
calls.
focus streaming.
Then connect this Type-C.
Okay.
Okay, now you need to download the OBS, of
So we have
course.
already downloaded the
Downloaded the
OBS.
OBS and then open the OBS application. Okay.
Okay. So open the OBS.
And then
Okay,
here,
next.
video capture. Okay.
Video captured. Okay.
And then
Then
here it will appear directly.
digital camera.
Canon digital camera.
Canon digital camera.
So this is our display now, and then let's go to studio mode. So here, right click and then transform fit to screen. So this is your display screen. See guys. So you have
So you don't need any
video capture card.
video capture for the Canon R50.
See.
So yeah, you have a
So-
live stream using the OBS Studio and the Canon R50. So and I think that's it for today, guys. Again, thank you, Mr. Palaboy OFW. Check his channel sa mga kababayan natin nandito sa Kuwait. Ayan, kung sinong gusto nyo malaman ang tungkol ng buhay-buhay natin dito sa Kuwait regarding OFW life, OFW life, follow nyo. Ito, Palaboy OFW. At syempre, kung may mga katanungan kayo regarding live streaming, pwede nyo rin siyang tanungin. So, ayan, di ba? Oo, ayan ako. So, I think that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to know more about our products regarding camera gears, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So, ayan, si Sir Harvey. Ayan. So, again, if you want to know more about the product, ayan, display natin, di ba? O, ang linaw, di ba? So, again, dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.